Oh, hello, it's me, Diddy. I make a Play-Doh solar system. This day so lovely, have winter pose, and very large. It's not from the smaller thing, I will choose the largest. Do you like my planet signs? Oh, they're each great. They're made up of Pluto, Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, Earth and the Moon and Luna. Venus, Mercury, the Sun. The Sun is a huge ball of gas. It's 3 times billion away from the Sun of your ancient Roman gods. The Sun has 3 times away from Earth. Mercury is a small planet. It is a rocky planet that's closest to the Sun. Its surface covered with craters. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. It's bigger than the Earth's moon. It is the symbol about the Earth's moon. The god of the messenger. It is an orange planet that's close to the Sun. Venus. Venus is almost the same size as the Earth. Venus is covered in thick clouds. Sometimes are very different. They have different types of clouds. So it's hot. It's very hot. You can't go here on Venus because it has hot surface. You have to be very more careful. If you want to get waxed, you have to get waxed very quickly. Earth and Luna. Luna is a NASA satellite. It is a rocky object in the universe. Our Earth and the Moon orbiting. Luna is orbiting the Earth. It is the only planet what has ice, who has life. degree is the messenger or of the cleaner gas. The Earth is the only planet in the solar system who had life. Luna is carried by astronauts. Astronauts walk on the moon, called Luna. Mars is extremely cold than the Earth. It has 2 moons, 4 moons, Deimos. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter is the massive planet in the solar system. It is 3 times billion bigger than Luna, the Earth's moon. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. It has a great red spot. Jupiter is the messenger of the Roman gods. It has 4 natural satellites: Ganymede, Europa, Io, Callisto. Saturn is the second largest planet. It has 24 rings made up of ice and dust. Saturn is bigger times than the Earth. It takes Saturn 240 Earth years to travel all the way around the sun. Saturn is also larger and blue. Saturn has enormous rings. Saturn has 61 through 100 moons. Enneus, Bennu, Manatus, Tethys, Dawn, Rhea, Iapetus, Rhea, Titan. Yeah, great. Uranus is the 7th last planet. It is green and blue. Uranus has 13 rings. Uranus has rings, but is not the same as Saturn. Uranus has 27 known moons. Albion, Orion, Titania, Melania, and Ariel. Ariel is the biggest moon. Uranus is named after the Roman god of sky. Neptune is the 8th final planet. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. Neptune is a big blue planet, an ice giant. It has clouds that make Neptune really storming. Last, we have Pluto, a final last planet in the solar system. Is not a planet. That's because Pluto is very small in the size comparison. Pluto is beyond of Pluto. Pluto is a dwarf planet found in the atmosphere. It has 5 moons, like the other 2 planets, like Ceres, Maki, Haumea, and Ceres. Pluto is a very small planet. It is smaller than the Earth's moon. Pluto is in Cloudhead Mountain, 1913. The astronomers of either knew different world of planets. Pluto has 5 known moons. They're smaller than Triton. There was Saturn, Styx, Huygens. They orbit around Pluto, and each of them are so cool. Bye-bye for learning you Play-Doh solar system. We hope you join the planets tomorrow. Bye. Subscribe under your channel to have at least 4 of your sentences. Of 9 years, of 10 year sentences. Thanks for watching. Bye.